So we're going to treatment plan and phase crowns and fillings on the upper left side for our patient Mickey Mouse. We're going to open their tooth chart by clicking Chart right here. Close the pop-up boxes. First, we're going to chart a buildup in crown on tooth number 14. We're going to click on the tooth. We're going to come to our quick click buttons that we have set up in the chart. We're going to hit Crown. It's a single unit crown, D2740. Dr. Hammontree is going to be the provider treatment planning this. This is going to be phase 1 of treatment, so we're going to make sure phase 1 is there. We're going to click OK. We're going to do the same thing for buildup now. We're going to click on the tooth. We're going to hit buildup. Again, Dr. Hammontree, phase 1 of treatment. We're going to click OK. Now we're going to chart a DO filling on number 13. We're going to click to 13. We're going to go to our composite posterior. We're going to drop down. It's a 2-surface filling we're treatment planning, so we're going to click D2392. It's a DO filling, so what we're going to do, our summary here, we're going to type DO. We're going to make this phase 2 of treatment, so we're going to make sure that's phase 2. We're going to click OK. We're going to also treatment plan an MO on number 15. So we're going to click tooth number 15. Again, our composite posterior button. Click 2392. We're going to make sure this one is an MO. Again, phase 2. We're going to click OK. And then we're going to hit Save at the bottom. So now when we're going to print this for the front office team to present, we're going to hit Treatment Plan. Here's our patient Mickey Mouse. We are going to make sure we're going to view all items. Now we have phase 1 and phase 2. We're going to hit Process, Treatment Plan Estimate, All Items, and click OK. That will print it for the front office team up front. They will present the financials to the patient and get them scheduled to come back.